Hey guys, well, I'm gonna be doing a video. Sorry, the reason why she's dressed in the same exact thing is because, I'm doing 3 videos today. I know, it's a lot. But, so yeah, I'm gonna be making a video of, like, where I keep all my Reborn stuff. And, so, I just wanted to have her in the background. Zip it. Okay, let's get to now. Okay, so here is the very, place where I keep everything. Right here, I'm just hanging some of the clothes right here. And then I have, this little cute bear, which I love. Here, let me tilt this mirror. Don't want y'all to see me. Okay, and then I have my 3 main bottles that I use right here. Up here, and then here is, a sheet that I sometimes put over the car seat if one of them sleeps on the car seat, which they usually do. And then up here is the shoes, right here, some antibacterial wipes, some diapers, and some hair bows, some lotions, baby lotion, portable sized powder. This is the travel sized items. And so yeah, I have my shoes right here. And this is actually, this is actually a fingernail brush, but it works really good for hair to brush it out, with using a squirt bottle and stuff, because this works really well. Toothbrushes work also well when you're cleaning the hair. And then right here is the main thing of baby powder. And for some reason my camera's in there, don't ask me why, because I'm filming on my iPod. Here's a pacifier. I don't have magnetic attachments yet, but no. And then here is another hair bow, pink hair bow, with these socks and a hospital hat right here. And then I have a few bibs. And this pink thing is actually a Swaddle Me blanket. I have another one of those that I'll show you. So yeah, that's in that drawer. And this thing is really nice. It holds everything really well. And here's just the main diaper drawer. And these are Love's, I think, brand of diapers. Little monkey. They're newborn sized. And when I get my Libby, I'll probably use 0 to 3 months stuff. And then right here's some more bibs. I have tons of bibs. And then some socks. And some more clothes in here. And then this is a newborn towel. And then mixed with some toys and hats. Like this hat. And then mixed with the toys. And then passy holders. Like that. And then rattles, that kind of thing. So that's in that drawer. That one's pretty crammed because I have so much stuff in it. And then here is a changing pad. And you can't really tell in here, but they have little ducks printed in them. And then here's another kind of blanket with this shirt. It says "Got Candy" on it. It's really cute. And then this has a little cupcakes on them. It's a blanket also. It's kind of small though. I don't use it that too often. And then here's some wipes. Princess wipes. When I change their diapers. And then here's a burp cloth. This is not organized. I'm so sorry, guys. And then mixed with clothes. This is one of my favorite outfits with a little butterfly. And then onesies, that sort of thing. And then same in these drawers are mixed with some bibs. This is such a cute bib. I've been good mostly. And mixed with those kind of things in it. And then I think it's the same with this drawer. Yeah, same with this drawer. Clothes, blankets, clothes, that kind of thing. And then in my last drawer, I have this Swaddle Me blanket, which they look like a baby's wrapped in a cocoon. It's so funny. And then I have these. I haven't made formula in them. These little Parents' Choice. I have 3 of these Parents' Choice. And yeah, these are cute. And so yeah, that's my Reborn collection of clothes and that kind of thing. I just love this bear. It's an excellent touch. And so yeah, So yeah, that's basically my whole reborn corner of my room. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.